Hello everyone, I am Sue and she is Rainbow, my partner. Hello, hello, uncle, auntie, sister, brothers. 係喎，好叻喎 ！Hello, hello, 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 hello. 係喎。Okay, you can see this. We have Bok Choy, and this is, I believe you think this is Bok Choy, but actually this is not Bok Choy. This is called 小棠菜. Let me explain you a little bit. In Bok Choy, this is B-O-K, C-H-O-Y, but Bok is white. The meaning is white. So you can see this one, the stem, is in white color. But here, 小棠菜, this one is in green colors. So this is the real authentic Bok Choy because that is 白色, it's white color stem, and choy means vegetables. This is the white vegetables, while this 小棠菜 is green stem. It is called 小棠菜. It's not the authentic one, but they both are very delicious. And today I'm going to share with you the simple way and the authentic way to cook bok choy. Let's get started. Okay, and before that I already washed the bok choy and the 小棠菜. Rainbow 俾個白菜你啊，俾個細細個 mini one，俾個 mini 嘅你啊。This is the mini 啊。俾個 mini 嘅你，媽媽要攞嘢啦。In this size of the bok choy, you see, normally we don't cut it. We just fried it as a whole. And we prepare one garlic and one ginger. The ginger is neutralize the cold of the bok choy because in Chinese medicine, we believe that bok choy is a cold food. So ginger is mainly for neutralize it. And eat too much of the cold food, it will affect your immune system. So if you make the bok choy, we have to add ginger. Just put it, slice it, a few slices. Okay, and we like garlic, so we add garlic as well. Cut in half first, and then after that I will put it into the garlic presser. Okay, let's put our gear. Ooh, we add around 2 tablespoons of oil. It doesn't matter the ginger, we will take it out anyway. When it is hot, then we can add the bok choy. Be careful. This is garlic. 攞咗個蒜頭食嘅 Rainbow。哇！ Okay, let's check. Smells so good. Now the size turns smaller. 係咪見到你啊 Rainbow？ 嚇 ？Show me again. Wait. 哇，差唔多啦。We don't have to add any water because the bok choy already have the water inside. 哇，好靚啊 ！Rainbow 靚唔靚啊？睇下。And now we can add 加咩啊？我哋加鹽係咪啊？加少少鹽咪？So we can take out the ginger. This is triangle. Ui. 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 OK 啦 ，Rainbow， 呢個啊，
Baby, like you.
Yummy. And now that's it for today's dishes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is a very authentic and simple way to make bok choy. Remember, bok choy, it is in white color stem, and 小糖菜 is in green color. The color is green, but they are both delicious. But the taste is a little bit different. This one, bok choy, is more sweet, while this one is different. I can't tell you what the difference now. But in this one, actually, we will cut it into half size or a quarter size. It really up to you. Okay, Rainbow. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and we will see in the next video. Rainbow 同大家講拜拜，拜拜，拜拜，拜拜，拜拜。